Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon Pay balance in Zomato. This process allows for seamless food ordering using your existing Amazon funds. To begin, make sure both your Zomato and Amazon applications are updated to their most recent versions. You will also need to confirm that you have sufficient balance in your Amazon Pay wallet. This integration typically takes just a few moments, ensuring a smooth transaction experience for your next meal delivery. Once you have chosen your delicious meal and added it to your cart on Zomato, proceed to the checkout page. Here, you will find various payment options available for your convenience. Carefully scroll through the list and locate Amazon Pay. Selecting this option will initiate the secure payment process, linking your Zomato order to your Amazon account. This step is crucial for utilizing your Amazon Pay balance. 148. After selecting Amazon Pay, you will be securely redirected to the Amazon login page. Here, you will need to enter your Amazon account credentials to authenticate the transaction. This ensures the security of your funds and confirms your identity. Once logged in, review your order details and the payment amount carefully. With a final confirmation, your Amazon Pay balance will be used to complete your Zomato order, and your meal will be on its way. 1.8. For a hassle-free experience, always check your Amazon Pay balance before placing a Zomato order to ensure sufficient funds. A stable internet connection is also vital for smooth payment processing. If you encounter any issues, first try updating both your Zomato and Amazon applications. Should problems persist, do not hesitate to reach out to Zomato or Amazon Pay customer support for assistance. They can help resolve any technical difficulties you might face.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.